I'm here today to show you this stunning 4-bedroom detached home in the sought after area of Grove Green. Let's go take a look around, shall we? Check out this amazing kitchen. I absolutely love this large island with plenty of seating. You have so much space for entertaining in here. Inside you have a modern open plan layout. But there is a clever twist to this design. You also have this hidden pantry and utility area. There is also a separate living area, perfect for shutting yourself away from the rest of the house. Upstairs you have 4 bedrooms, 2 with en-suites, and there's a family bathroom. The star of the show is this impressive luxury main suite, complete with its own walk-in wardrobe and a stunning ensuite. Outside you have a patio area for seating, a lovely lawn area and an additional space for an outdoor kitchen. You also have this summer house, which is absolutely perfect for outdoor entertaining, but could also be used as a home office or a gym. This house is perfectly situated for applications to an outstanding primary school and a selection of outstanding secondary schools. You also have many amenities within walking distance, including local family-owned pubs, a pharmacy, doctors and a supermarket. So if you're looking for a beautifully presented home in a sought-after area with outstanding schools and local amenities, then book your viewing with Foundation Estate Agents today.